It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Monday, October 24th. I'm James Spann. Wish I could promise a big rain, but no. A very dry air mass continues to stay in place, and drought conditions will only worsen this week. There's a water vapor satellite view. Ridging rebuilding, deflecting the main rain producers well to the west and north of the state. But at least it's cool. Fort Payne, 43. We had some spots down to 30 degrees. Early Saturday and Sunday morning over the weekend. First freeze of the season for the colder pockets, but not as cool this morning. In fact, Birmingham at 52. It's the old urban heat island effect in the city with a concrete and steel infrastructure keeping the heat in. Around the nation, pretty cool, typical for mid to late October. And obviously with a dry, cool air mass for much of the nation, no watches or warnings other than some wind issues in scattered spots. Maybe some thunder later today out in the western states. No severe weather expected. Tomorrow, a marginal risk across the heartland. Day 3, Wednesday, maybe some thunder just north and west of Alabama. Rain for the next 5 days. A little wave will come through here Thursday, and that might squeeze out a couple of showers Thursday, but don't count on it. You don't forecast rain in the middle of a drought. That's the old rule. And again, the air is going to be so dry, the dynamic support weak, I just don't know if the green needs to be there. But maybe somebody will catch a few raindrops. But the news is certainly not good. Drought conditions will worsen. Tropical weather not going to help us out there. The Atlantic Basin, the Gulf of Mexico, very quiet. Hurricane season runs for about one more month until the end of November. All right, model fans, here's the GFS. 1 o'clock today, troughing on the west coast and up in the northeast. 588 ridge beginning to build here, and it's a sunny day, and with no soil moisture. The air can heat very effectively. We'll be up there around 80 today. The NAM and the GFS are at 81. Same thing tomorrow. Same thing on Wednesday. And we note that little compact system with a surface low over Iowa. And watch what happens with this. Thursday, the system deepens as it moves near Detroit, and you can see a trailing front. In the GFS tries to squeeze out a few rain showers. So we'll mention a small chance of a shower Thursday with this feature, but don't get your hopes up. Highs will probably drop back into the mid-70s. And then this is Friday. Again, it's on by. We're dry. Weekend weather, same old story. Sunny weather on Saturday. It's a cool 1028 high over Minnesota beginning to nose in. Highs probably drop into the upper 70s, and this is Sunday. The GFS showing a high of 71. Refreshing day, and again, just no rain. End of the forecast period, end of the month. Halloween, Monday, October 31st. Ridging rebuilding west of the state. And again, it's the same old song and dance. So it sure looks like for some cities, including Birmingham. Now understand, some places got some pretty decent rain Thursday night of last week. But for Birmingham, looks like we're going the entire month without measurable rain. It's happened before, and it will happen again. This is the driest month of the year, but you certainly don't want to see that coming into October so dry like we were. But this is suggesting a sunny and pleasant day with highs in the 70s. This is as far as we're going to go here. This is 10 days out. This is Wednesday of next week, November 2nd. And it's the same old story. Things just aren't changing. It's still dry. Now understand, November, December, those 2 months represent the late fall severe weather season. Typically things get active, but at least for the first 2 days, not showing any evidence of this. Thought I'd show you the rain projection for the next 10 days coming off the European. It spits out a little bit over North Alabama. That's where that little impulse Thursday, and that's it. Check the numbers. Highs around 80 this week and the 70s next week. Cooling down out there toward November 7th. But again, the bad news, I just don't see any sign of a big rain event on the board for now. But again, November's almost here. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.